จ้ะ นะมัตถุรัตนตยัสสะก็น้อมแด่พระรัตนตรัย Hail to Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha. Pay respect to all venerable monks and pay respect to Jamahadam Pumasan. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to live stream tonight with Ajahn Mahadam Pumasan. You all will listening to the Dhamma talk from us. Invite Venerable Mahadam.
นะโมพุทธายะนะโมธัมมายะนะโมสังฆายะ Pay respect to พระอาจารย์มหาคัมมณี and all venerable monks and good evening everyone. Today we meet again. Sorry for yesterday I told someone yesterday I told is that about 9:30 we will live stream, but yesterday we cannot live stream because very busy yesterday. I and Ajahn Maha Kammani too. Yeah.
Yes. Busy and tired. Busy and very tired.
Yeah.
How are we today?
Good. Ajahn Maha Kammani, can you talk?
Something?
Yeah.
Okay.
Long King.
Yeah, some recommend to miss someone, right? Miss someone when friend or some loved one people go far away. Yeah, go home or go to somewhere too far. It make us miss them, right? And have some problem, like sadly. Today, we're gonna talk about this.
No. We write
Dukkha.
Ajahn Maha Kammani, we write the wrong topic today.
Wrong topic again?
Wrong topic because we wrote with our topic in. I want to use we lost something, like a lost something is suffering, but spell as long King is suffering. Yeah.
What is?
Yeah. Today we will talk about we losing or we miss something or someone is suffering. Yeah. Because why we talk about that? Because the I think everyone feel like we lost the all venerable monks from Thailand. They coming พระอาจารย์พิเชษฐ์ and all venerable monk พระอาจารย์บอย พระอาจารย์พรชัย and พระอาจารย์หลวงพี่เอ everyone they even the Aloka feel sad too. That's why we try to explain Buddha teaching about we losing or lost. I'm not sure. Lost something.
Good.
Losing, right?
Yeah. Losing.
We losing something is suffering. The all in conclusion is life is suffering. Life is suffering. Do you think is life is suffering? Ajar Mahakam?
Yes.
Yes.
Our life is suffering. Why? Why the Buddha say that our life is suffering? Can you explain, Madam?
If you study the Buddha teaching, the Buddha enlightenment, he enlightened by understanding the Four Noble Truths. If you learn about Four Noble Truths, the first one is uh, that is the suffering. The first one, suffering, dukkha suffering.
Yes.
But what the Buddha say life is suffering. Why the Buddha say the life is suffering? Some people think this. No, I don't have suffering. Why? Because in normal life, I don't have any suffering. I just normal life. But some you don't uh, observe. You don't be mindful. Like every moment in your mind, in your feeling, you don't know about it because you don't be mindful. You don't know about suffering happen
We,
in
we
your
think
life.
we think about when we sitting long time,
Mhm.
when we have some pain, we gonna get up and walk somewhere. Is no pain,
Mhm.
right? And in daily life, uh, we have many things come,
Mhm.
yeah, and we don't know about ourselves, our body have a suffering, uh, have something inside, um, have a problem, right?
Yeah.
That is all of the two suffering. Makes sense.
Suffering in Bali we call tukka.
Mm,
Tukka is explained in in English is suffering or we call cannot be patient.
mm,
Everything cannot be patient is suffering. Suffering because it cannot be patient. I don't know what is the correct explaining, but in Lao we call สภา
mm,
วะที่ทนที่บ่ทนอ่าที่สภาวะที่บ่สามารถทนได้ that is the cannot be patient cannot don't have cannot be patient. That is the
mm,
suffering. Everything cannot be patient. Uh, for example, in when you're sitting on the chair, why Ajahn Mahakamani he he lost connection. When we sitting on the chair, you can know is suffering happen to you. How? You don't move. You can sit and don't move. Waiting for a long time is you can. If you don't move, is your suffer. Why you have to move? Because you cannot be patient to the stay in the the same location. That is we call the suffering happen. And the Buddha says is the born is suffering. We born is suffering. Why born is suffering? Because when you born is the old and sick and dead come to your life. If you not born, no. If you no born, no sick, no old, no dead, right? That's why the Buddha say born is suffering and old is suffering and illness or sick is suffering and death is suffering in the nature. But is the if you need something, you want something, you don't get that, you don't get that you want, that you need, that is suffering. For example, like you want the all venerable monks to stay in the United States, right, for a long time. But when they leave, you suffer because you are attached in the you don't want they change. Yeah, you don't understand the um, the nature of life. Yeah, you don't understand the life. And when you don't want something, or you don't need something, you don't need someone, you don't love someone, you don't need something, but that one is come to your life, it yourself too. For example, if you don't like someone, you hate someone, but that person come to your life, you're gonna suffer. Yeah, you're gonna suffer too. Okay. What happened? Yeah. And the what next? Then Mahakamani, I say is a life is suffering, born is suffering, own is suffering, and sick or illness is suffering, death
Say
is
again.
yeah. And you want something, but you don't get that. This is your suffering. You don't want something or someone, but
Yeah.
that thing or someone come to your life is your suffering. Yeah.
Mm.
The Buddha teaching about suffering. That's why you must think about that. Sometimes you attach too much. You attach why you the suffering have the cause of suffering. If the suffering happen because it have cause of suffering. But when
Yeah.
yeah, what is the cause of suffering? Then Mahakamani, Samutai. What is the cause of suffering?
Mm.
Yeah.
Avijja, we don't know, we don't understand that.
Or tanha, right? Tanha.
Correct.
So, kama tanha, bhava tanha, vibhava tanha. I think it's Ajahn Mahakamani. He signal is low. The signal.
Mine.
Yeah. But, from family and friend. He said, what about suffering from family and friend passing away? Yes, we call death is suffering. Death is suffering, or you call we don't we want something to stay or someone to stay, but they pass away. They go away from our life, we suffering, you know. If we practice by thinking about the suffering in our life, is we can use our life is have more value in our life. Yeah. We can spend our time with someone we love as much as we can. We can we can we we can stop saying the bad word to someone we love, because we understand the life is suffering. Yeah. We are born to die. Yes, we are born to die.
Someone asked how to make less attachment. How to reduce attachment from our mind.
Oh, how to reduce attachment
Yes.
from our mind. Stay be mindful. Stay be mindful and learn
Mm.
uh, uh, understand uh, the
Practice mindfulness
three
a lot.
prin- three principle of my Buddha teaching. They call it three marks, right? Three marks.
Mm.
Uh, Everything
Yeah.
or change or not. Everything is impermanent, right? Second one is everything suffering. Yeah, and the third one is everything is non-self. If you think about the three principle, or uh, practice or learn about study about the three principle is you can reduce your attachment in life. If you
To come.
attach, yeah, if you attach to something or someone, you have to learn how to let it go.
Mm.
If you attach but you don't know how to let it go, you will get more suffer. Yeah. But if you attach but you know how to let it go, your suffer but it's more suffer. For example, like when you know is there something like a ก้อนเหล็กสิว่าจังได๋ว่าก้อนเหล็กกลมๆก้อนเหล็ก
Iron เนาะ Iron ball.
แล้วก็ for example uh, something for example this one is for example is iron, right? That one is very hot, but is
Yeah.
is don't show is about the it don't show about the fire in this, but it's very hot. But if you don't know is
Mm.
This thing is very hot, you can grab this or your hand, is you will gonna very suffer from this one, right? But if you understand, you know before you get it, you touch it, it's very hot, you can touch by it's very quickly, right? You're hot, you're touch, but you're hot, but uh, your suffer your hot, but it's just short time, you know. It's the
Yes.
same. If you understand the principle of everything impermanent or always change, everything is suffer, and everything is non-self, you will reduce your attachment. Yeah.
Yeah, but someone say easy to say that, but cannot do cannot do that.
You can understand by listen for the first time, but this principle is you can understand deeply or apply to your life by your practice, by your thinking, by your mindset every day in daily life, not by talking, not by reading from the books, you know. Yeah.
I told someone come to temple, right? They have suffer a lot and they think too much. They cannot sleep. I told them don't think too much. Take it easy. They say I cannot do that. I must to think. I must to think too much. I cannot
Because
stop thinking.
because it happened to me, I cannot stop thinking, right?
Yeah.
but
But
but they,
it's
but they
it's very 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 hard. You know, I have some story like one day they have a friend, right? Friend. One person became a monk, and one person not, just lay people. They monk's friend mom died, passed away. Yeah, monk go to go to visit a friend in funeral, and say, "Don't cry. Is it the nature of the of life? It's okay. It's normal, right? Everybody have to die. Don't cry." Touch back friend. Yeah. Yeah, monk friend, it's okay. Just calm down, right? And next 2 months, the monk's mom died. His friend come to 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 say ยังก็ปลอบใจนะ His friend come and say like the monk to say to
don't cry.
and yet don't cry, monks, don't cry. Why you say to me that time, last time, don't cry when my mom passed away? Oh, that is your mom, but now my mom I want to cry. Yeah, you cannot do that. Yeah, we can stop the something too hard to cry. Right?
Yeah.
Suffer too hard to do that. But some people who have to learn a lot and understand deep understand about it, maybe first time is think and suffer a little bit, but after they understand and no suffer no more.
Yeah. Is if we still the normal person, even you are the most, you can be sad, you can be like a anxiety, and you can feel like the same. It's not it's like a normal people, but the you if you know the how to let it go, is you can like you can move on quickly than other people. Yeah, some people they cannot move on many uh long time, like many years, because they don't know how to move on. They like think about the always think about the past is this happen to their life.
I heard story about husband. Husband passed away. His wife always go up to the second floor to say to her husband who passed away every day. Say good night, say good morning in his room. This is a real story. I heard from someone who go to work at that home. Yeah. And cry. Yeah, and cry for a long time, almost 3 years. Almost 3 years, and then she tried to learn more, go to temple, go to Dhamma talk, and go to Thana donation, offer the food, something to monks, and dedicate to her husband. And after that, she understand about this. Have a story, the real thing. Yes.
Yeah, is the you have to practice to understand.
Practice.
Yeah, practice.
Yeah. Everyone practice. Everyone understand, but so hard.
Right, difficult to practice it. The how do you how if you want to know is which one is they have dhamma in their heart, they practice the dhamma.
Yes.
We cannot uh, just that person by their knowledge a lot of dhamma. They very good talking about dhamma, right? We cannot just by the by knowledge, but we can know by the when they face to the suffer, or the like for example, like when they pass, when they lost someone or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can know that how they can handle with that losing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. even the Buddha, um, Buddha, Buddha brother, Ananta, he is the first noble person. Is a
Mhm.
Sotapanna, but he still cry when the Buddha passed away.
Oh,
But he cry, but he understand. Why today we talk about the who passing away? We want to talk about the we miss the monks
some
who leave
we
us,
need
not
some.
they they left us, not they not die. They don't need to suffer because of
Yeah,
deep.
you
Yeah.
know, uh, it's the far away from someone we know we love, and they uh, go they go uh, from us, and they go from us too far away,
Mm.
very far, and very miss.
Mhm.
Um, you know, we think about การจากกันไม่ใช่ก่อน
Um, การจากกัน goodbye การจากกัน no
yeah.
um, separation no parting
Depression,
parting
I think.
separation separate or separate
Yeah.
separation. Yeah.
Um, two thing about separation, like separate when we stay alive, we separate and
Yeah.
miss each other.
Mhm.
And second one is pass away.
Mhm. Mm.
Separate by pass away. Yeah.
The last time, right? Permanent passing.
Yeah, yeah, permanent. Cannot come back again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. It's the normal life,
No more.
normal
It's
of our life.
remember 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 everything always change. Remember that it make your day easy uh, to live in normal life. Remember happiness or sadness or suffering
Mm.
is cannot stay with you forever.
Yes.
It's, it's gonna change. It's because it's not permanent.
Mm-hmm.
You forever. It's permanent. I use this when I suffer a lot in the hospital. I when the doctor fix my wound, I
Mm.
very suffer. I think, okay, now I let you suffer, but you cannot stay with me forever. I think about, yeah, let
Yeah.
you suffer. Then the hour later is I'm not suffer. See,
Yeah. They,
sometimes
they, you must to is it will gone, right?
yeah
They,
yeah yeah
it's
will gone. Sometimes when we suffer, we think we very suffer. We don't think about the principle about the everything not permanent. Yeah, everything is impermanent. Yeah.
yeah.
What is your Someone asked me, what is your address? My address is Wadapura Khanti. It's 4052 Forsyth Road, Sunnyvale, Georgia.
Mm.
Just if you suffer, if you miss the monk, just
Mm.
remember what did they teach, what did they do, right? And apply it to your life is very very useful to
Mm.
your life. Don't suffer, don't be sad. If you suffer is like okay, don't suffer long time. time
Short
yeah,
time.
long time.
Suffer.
That's
Uh,
short time.
when you want to cry, you can cry short time.
Short time, yeah.
Yes, something I heard from someone. If you have a sad day, you want to cry. You want to cry. You can cry right now. You can cry, and then after you cry, it's make you happy.
Mhm. Tell yourself, okay, enough.
You can
And
cry, and after that you may happy. Yeah. Mhm.
maybe someone you are bipolar.
You-
You're cry and you're laughing at the same time.
no, when we think about someone to make you hurt, you think about uh, his name or her name. To make you sad, make you sad, and
Mm.
you think about the people come together and fight each other. You don't want to see that. Make you sad too.
Mhm.
Yeah. And many things. Yes. Mm. But uh, some people say if you feel sad, you feel suffer, maybe uh, you watching some podcast, listening some podcast to make you feel better. After that, you forgot about sadly. If cannot, sometimes you have to go to take a shower and go to exercise.
Mhm.
Maybe you feel sad. Maybe have problem about the body. Some people not not is emotion, but not not very about thinking, but something happen
Mm.
inside body. Yeah, go to exercise, go to take a shower,
Mm.
to sleep. Yeah. Mm.
And then Mahakamani, do you remember I mentioned about the Aitama talk in your page in New York City. I about how to if you think overthinking or your anxiety or your depression, like I three things I do um change your body
Mm.
and
Oh,
Yeah, move your body, move your body,
Mm.
change your focus, and cut your speak. Right? Move your body, change your focus, and cut your speak. Cut your
Mm.
yeah. Uh, Move your body. That means don't if you suffer, don't
Yeah.
stay in the same place. Like
Same
stay
place.
in the room, close the door, and lay down on the bed and lay like a sleep with suffering. Don't do like that. Like move your body to other place, to the lake, to the forest, the
Mm.
to the friend. Don't move to your toxic friend. You know, you get more suffer from
Yeah.
toxic friend. Yeah,
Mm.
move your body, change your focus. Don't focus on your pain, on like
Mm.
your pain. Your like in
Yeah.
if the past is make you suffer,
Mm.
don't think about the past. Stay in the present. Change your change your focus. If you're concerned about the future,
Mm.
don't concern too much. Just knowing now I am concerned in the future and stay in the present moment. If you think about the past or you think about the future, you just knowing now I think about the past or I think about the future and stay in the present moment in breathing in and breathing out as much as you can. And and important to the last one is cut your speak. Don't talk too much. Yeah. Don't don't talk to other people แล้วก็
Mm.
บ้านเขาเอิ้นระบายนะ
uh, don't say everything.
don't say
Don't
don't
don't talk everything
say
you have
everything
time.
you feel.
Yeah, you feel
Yeah.
like feel sad. You don't don't say,
Don't say don't tell someone.
don't
Don't
tell
tell
someone.
yeah.
But you can tell yourself.
Don't tell yourself. Yeah.
Mm.
For anxiety for think a lot for concern or for depression is
Yeah.
the best technique the Buddha taught to practice. It's very easy that to
Yes.
practice. That
Mm.
means the Buddha mentioned anapanasati. We talk a lot about anapanasati. The Buddha say anapanasati like the rain, the heavy rain, our mind, our thinking, the like a
Harder.
uh, that storm,
Mm.
that storm in the
Yeah.
air. But when the rain come, is that storm is gone, right?
Yes.
It's the same. If we practice anapanasati or breathing in and breathing
Mm.
out, we knowing in the stay in the present moment. Our thinking is stopped. If you don't have experience to practice,
Mm.
even you don't have experience to practice, I I can guarantee with you, your thinking, your concern, your worrying will gone in 30 minutes
Yes.
if you practice by anapanasati. How the short time first time you have to uh, sitting like a set your body like a sitting and on relax your body and
Mm.
maybe you can close your eye and take a deep breath. Breathe in. You're breathing in, long breathing in, and hold, and long breathing out. Hold about 10 10 minutes,
Mm.
and change to breathing, short breathing, short breathing, like a
Short
like a
Think
dog,
very
like
fast.
a dog. But don't breathing like a don't let your uh, your tongue like a dog. Just dog.
Yes.
Don't let your tongue out like a dog, but like a dog. You know, just short breathing. Yeah, short breathing 10 minutes, and the last 10 minutes is just no more breathing, no more breathing, and observe everything in your body, and knowing your breathing in and breathing out, knowing everything in your breathing. Just
Oh.
30 minutes. I guarantee your anxiety, your will
Three,
gone. Yeah,
three thing, right? Three uh,
technique.
technique. Three technique.
Yeah, three technique.
First one is long breathe in, long breathe out.
Mm-hmm.
10 minutes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Second one is short, very short. Breathe in, breathe out.
Mm-hmm.
Can you example?
Hmm? Short.
Can you do example?
Don't practice when you stay in the with the other people.
Why?
You know, when you are for me, I have the allergy. Before I cannot
Breathe in,
I
breathe out.
I cannot breathe in, breathe out by nose. I breathing by mouth because
Mhm.
I have strong energy allergy. But when I practice anapanasati, uh,
Yeah.
short breathing in, breathing out, it make my nose is so good. It's not no problem with the nose.
Breathe.
You know, yeah.
Mm.
Just breathing when you are breathing in and breathing out very quick is
Very good.
your
How many minutes? 10 minutes.
10 minutes. But
Yeah.
as you can practice the maybe 5 minutes maybe enough for you. Just stop because it's very difficult to practice the like 10 minutes because it's when we
I.
quick when we fat fat breathing is
Mm.
our oxygen is not enough.
Oh.
Yeah,
It's right.
our not enough. Our brain like command the this something in this one to open. Don't drop the nose because the oxygen not enough. Is
Mm.
just less the oxygen come. It's very easy.
Mm.
Yeah,
Someone scared to do that. Very fat.
very
Right.
fast.
Mm.
And
And
short, quick.
short and quick,
Some
quickly.
sometimes when I practice first time is one
Where
minute,
mhm.
one
where
minute
where
enough.
where you
Hmm?
get this technique from?
I get this technique from หลวงพ่อสมภพหลวงพ่อ
Oh.
he is master very good master from Thailand
Okay. Yeah.
but now he have the he has stroke right stroke he cannot walk he cannot talk but he very good teaching.
Mm. Yeah. And the third one is normal breathe in, breathe out. Right?
Yeah, no more. Is
Mm.
third one is very important. The first one and second one, just knowing,
Yeah.
feeling when the air touching your nose, when you're breathing. No, only knowing the first one and second one. You know, but the third one is
Right.
you have to observing
Mm.
every part what happened to your body, only your body. You know, when you
Yes.
breathe in, how your body
Mm.
yeah how what happened to your body
Yeah.
And breathing out, just normal breathing, but observing every part of your body. Yeah.
Do you know, Ajahn Mahadam, the normal people, they don't know about them body. When they stay, they don't know about now I stay, but they think for whole things outside. Yeah. Sometimes they uh, go to bathroom. They go pat the door of the bathroom. Why? What I want to do? I come here. What I want to do? I don't know. Sometimes that people normal, they don't know about the meditation. They don't know about uh, the present moment. Present moment, like when we sit, right? When we sitting, they don't know about sitting. They forgot about the working, talk, something. But we want everyone to know about that every day, but not too much to know, but every day you must to know about yourself in the present, in minute, in 3 minutes, 10 minutes. When we woke up in the morning, where is your egg? Where is your egg? Where is your hand? Right?
Can you is that I cannot hear you because it's like a sound like a walkie talkie.
Me?
Yeah.
Now it's clear.
Yeah.
I have problem with microphone. Yes. When we are worried too much, everything worry. Yeah. Someone say I cannot breathe in, breathe out, and focus in breathe and breathe out because I am very worried about a lot of things to worry.
It's the same. It's the same you say. The same you say when you're, for example, when we on the boat in the middle of river, right? When the boat sank, you say I cannot swim. Is you right? You're right. You cannot swim because you
Yeah.
don't. It's when the boat beside the river. You don't when you go to swim, but you
Yeah.
try to swim when the boat sink, right?
Right. Mm.
Yes, you're right. You must focus on breathing up.
I told people, can you close your eye? Yeah, I told people, can you close your eye? Can you observe your body now? Where is your body? Sitting or what are you doing? Right? In present. That is the way to practice mindfulness. Yeah. Everyone understand. Who know about meditation? Who know about the way to practice mindfulness? Is okay, but someone they don't know. God, for God. Even you know, but you forgot to practice.
Yeah. Sometimes the way to practice not the way you sitting cross your leg, put your hand or over your for your right hand over left hand, sit straight, close your eye. Not be like that. Always be like that. But you practice that means you stay in the present moment. Even you are driving, even you're driving, you know you're driving now. You are breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. You know you're breathing in, breathing out when you're driving, when you are reading, when you are talking with someone. That means you know yourself. You are awake yourself. That means we call Buddha. Buddha just means awaken, right? Awaken one. That's if you awake always, uh, all time. That means you are Buddha in your heart. You have Buddha in your heart. Yeah.
It's very good.
I say I feel sleepy in my first time in the first time today. It's it's normal for sleepy. You know, sleepy is have food. It have food. Uh, because sleepily, if you observing everything, if you don't observing because that is food of sleeping. In Bali we call ayonisomanasikarana. Ayonisomanasikarana is food of sleeping. Yeah. If you don't observe, you don't awake, observe your feeling, your body, it's so easy to sleep. Yeah. For me, if I feel to sleep, uh, I just knowing, I just focusing on my in front of my face. Leave the feeling to moving. This one right around here. It make me awake. Wow, it's time. Time is very fast.
We talk about the meet some people, meet someone, meet your friend, or someone go too far. Yes.
Just
We have
say, just say, see you again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone know about that, about the meet someone. Yeah, because you do something together, you know about each other a lot. Like me about and Bunlong. I told Maharam send me Bunlong picture. Yeah, the time is
And that I hope is we try to explain, but it's difficult for us to explain to understand clearly. You know, is but we try the best, and I hope our teaching, our experience is you can apply in your daily life, and you can reduce your attachment towards understand because we are the human being, we care each other. The Buddha say, if we love ourselves, we have to love other
Yeah.
being too. If you don't like the you don't like uh, the the bad word, you don't like the bad action
Mhm.
the people, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just be kind to yourself and be kind to other people. Okay. I think it's
Okay. Your turn to blessing.
yes. You turn me.
Yeah.
Okay. I will bless all of you to do well today. Reduce your anxiety, sleep, breathing in and breathing out until you are fall to sleep. Like sleep with breathing meditation is good for you. I hope you are be happy, be healthy, and be peaceful. Sapi tiyo vivasantu sapparo vinasantu mate bhavat vantarayo sukhi tikhanyo bhava apiva thanasiri sanijang bandayino jattaro dhamma vatthanti ayu vanno sukhang phalang.
Sadhu. Good night, everyone. Thank you for watching.